Before the theory of relativity was announced by Albert Einstein, every scientist in the world was trying to figure out a way that they could travel into the past or basically be able to travel through the likes of time, through a time stream. And because of which we have completely left the idea of being able to travel through time or even to travel great distances in short amounts of time altogether. But there is one theory that I have been studying upon, and I feel that might be the reason that can help us be able to travel through time. That is the theory of quantum entanglement. Now, to explain it much more efficiently, quantum entanglement is that every atom or every smallest particle, quantum particle that is out there, has a quantum twin of it. And once you reverse the polarity of it, or maybe you make some changes to it, the twin of that particle will also experiences the same thing. So to put two different in simpler terms, if you reverse the polarity of one quantum particle, its twin will also be reversed in the likes of that. So if there's a particle named X and you reverse its polarity to become minus X, once to look at it, once you actually go out there and determine that this twin particle was there, its polarity by default would also becomes minus X. And it doesn't matter the distance that there exists between them. So maybe I can be wrong that they have identified a way to create rifts because of quantum entanglement. But based on the number of research papers that I've gone through, nobody has so far been able to calculate the possibility of quantum entanglement, and that can become the basis for us being able to create rifts through time so that we can travel through, because scientists have tried to explain it with the likes of black holes, that this is why we can create black holes, this is why there are all these sorts of singularities appear in the nature, because thousands of light years away quantum twin will experience the same change to its twin in no time at all. Meaning it doesn't take light, which is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meters per second, for it to actually reverse its polarity. It's almost instantaneous. And if we are able to figure out a way to use this as a practical application, we might be able to figure out a way to travel through speed instantaneously without having to worry about the large mass. Because what will happen if you were to apply the theory of relativity, if you wanted to travel at the speed of light, the mass of the spaceship that you were traveling in would become so large that at the stopping point itself, wherever you stop, it would destroy everything that exists in its path. Because to maximize the speed of that spaceship or whatever particle that you were traveling in, its mass, to maintain its energy, would continuously keep on increasing. And quantum entanglement may be the answer to us being able to travel through time.